Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to reveal to you really quickly how you can delete your workspaces on ClickUp. So let us get started right away. Head over to ClickUp, log into your account and select the workspace you would like to edit and maybe even to delete here in the top left by clicking on that arrow down icon. So let me go with that workspace here. You may also create a completely new one if you like. So what you want to do, guys, is simply head over to the workspace settings by clicking on that button here, settings. And here in your workspace settings, guys, make sure that you switch to this section here, settings. And what you want to do after that is simply select the delete workspace here to the right and confirm it by clicking on this button here. You may also check this box below, because only if you do it, the given workspace will be permanently deleted, including all third-party data. And bear in mind also, guys, that there's no recovery or restoration of the deleted workspace possible. So only do that if you're really sure to do that, guys. Type your workspace name here to confirm that. But I'm going to click on cancel because I would like to keep that workspace. So that's how you delete workspaces on ClickUp. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time.